Okay, here's my wife's 2006 Dodge Charger. We just put the vinyl stripes on it. Exhaust system's done. Now, all we did to the exhaust system is take out the big suitcase muffler underneath the car. I think that weighs about 100 pounds, the size of a suitcase. And then we put some mufflers on the back, the loudest street legal mufflers made by Hooker Headers. Actually, I forgot the name of them. But anyway, Muffler Shop did it, and sounds good. Anyway, I'll let you listen to it now. Set this down here. Okay, so that's it. That's my wife's little hot rod. Not bad, a little car.